It's your friendly neighborhood laser lady. So you got a laser and you want to make some money, but how? I've been doing this 12 years now and I remember exactly what that feels like. You spend good money on a laser, you're making beautiful things, but you have no idea how to turn it into actual cash. I want to give you a challenge. Make your first $100 with your laser this week. Not someday soon money, right now money. And I'm handing you the exact step-by-step plan to make your first $100 within 7 days. And it starts today. Let's dive in. Commit to take action. Now, before we get into the steps, I need to tell you why this plan works. It's because it's the opposite of what most people tell you to do first. Everyone says open an Etsy shop, and I love Etsy genuinely. It's a great platform, and we'll get there eventually. But if you want to make your first $100 this week, Etsy is one of the slowest ways to do it. You're competing with thousands of sales. You're waiting for someone to discover you. You're waiting for payments to clear, for shipping windows. The average time from I listed my first product to I got my first sale on Etsy could be weeks, sometimes months, unless you have an aggressive launch plan, which I'll get into one day. Here's the better alternative for right now. Your warm market. You already have a built-in customer base, friends, family, coworkers, church, neighbors, heck, your banker, barista, even your doctor, the people in your phone right now who already like and trust you. Most brick and mortar business owners spend thousands of dollars trying to find these people, and you have them in your contacts for free. So this plan is local, it's personal, and it starts right now. Step 1, pick one product. And I mean that, not 2, not 5, just 1. Here's what I know after doing this for a really long time. Confusion kills sales. If you message someone with a menu of 7 or 50 things, they will pick nothing because making a decision feels hard. Plus, it will be easier on you. You ever wonder why Gordon Ramsay gets mad at failing restaurants for having like 5,000 things on their menu? It's the same thing. So you don't get overwhelmed, and even more importantly, your customers don't get overwhelmed. We are going to practice the KISS method. Keep it simple. Silly. Don't have any idea what to make? I'm going to give you 3 options. Pick one that matches your machine and your skill level right now and commit to it for this week only. Option 1, engraved slate coaster set. This works on diode or CO2 lasers, so all of you should be able to do this. A pack of raw slate coasters costs you $1 on Amazon. You engrave a family name, family crest, business logo, simple botanical design, anything clean, readable, or cute. You sell the set for about $25, and that's a $20 profit on a single sale. All you need to do is sell 5 of those this week to make that $100. Option 2, engraved bamboo cutting board. If you have a CO2 laser with a bigger bed, this one is fast and the perceived value is insane. A plain bamboo cutting board from Amazon or Home Goods is about $4 to $12 max. You engrave the family name, simple kitchen quote, something cute. You sell it for $25 to $75. That's a $20 to $60 profit, depending on the size of your cutting board. This means you only need between 5 or even just 2 sales. Not bad. Option number 3, custom acrylic keychain bundles. Ew, keychains. Yes, I understand. I hear you. I'm serious. The bundle of 3 coordinated custom keychains, like a name, initial, fun shapes, house, home, car, something like that, costs you like $2 to $3 in materials. Sell the whole set for $20, and we just need 5 of those this week to make $100. When in doubt, don't underestimate the keychain, especially for anyone who goes to school or has school-aged kids. Pick just one, write it down. We're already moving on. And just so we're on the same page, everything I'm showing you today, I've either sold myself, am actively selling myself, or have seen others sell within their first week. This is not a theory. This is how I pay my bills. And I want it to be how you pay your bills too. Step 2, set your price. I needed to stop guessing on this because guessing is exactly how you end up working for less than minimum wage and you don't even realize it. I've made this mistake. I don't want you to make this mistake. I've made an entire video on it, so please give that a watch. First, here's the quick formula in a nutshell: material cost times 3. This is the absolute lowest you should charge. Your slate coasters cost $5 in materials. Your absolute minimum is $15. But here's a better alternative. Instead of pricing to cover cost, price to match perceived value. Ask yourself, if someone walked into a boutique gift shop and saw a slate coaster set with their all-time favorite animals engraved on it, beautifully presented, what would they expect to pay? Not $15, not even $20. They'd expect to pay twice or even 3 times that easily. If a bougie restaurant can sell a margarita for $35, I think I can sell some custom coasters for the same price. So be bold, start high. Your laser lets you deliver boutique quality work at boutique prices without all that overhead. That's the whole reason we're here, right? So write this down. Material cost times 3 is your floor. Boutique perceived value is your ceiling. So your price probably lives somewhere in the middle. Step 3, text your warm market. This is the step most people skip, and it's exactly why most new laser owners don't make money their first month. You have to actually tell people. And I don't mean post on Instagram and hope. I don't mean start a business Facebook page at midnight and expect orders by morning. I mean, open up your phone right now and text 5 specific people. Here's who you are looking for: anyone in your contacts who has at least fit one of these. Just moved into a new home, had a baby in the last 6 months, has a birthday or anniversary coming up in the next 30 days, just got married or engaged, or has someone in their life who has everything and is impossible to buy for. I think we all have one of those. Find those 5 people, and that's your whole sales job for the day. Now, here's the exact message you can copy word for word if you want to. Hi, name. I just started my laser engraving business and I'm taking my first few orders this week. I'm doing personalized, enter product here, with names, initials, whatever you want. I'm charging enter price here, and I can have it ready by enter day here. Do you know anyone who might want one? I'm happy to make you one too. Thanks. Then send them a couple of pictures of other things you have made. And that's it. No hard sell, no please like my page, no business pitch, just a friendly text from somebody they already like. Now, here's what's going to happen. At least 2 of those 5 people are going to say yes immediately. You picked good. At least one of them is going to ask if you can make something slightly different, and the answer is yes, at the same price, maybe a little higher. And at least one of them is going to say, oh, my mom, coworker, sister-in-law, neighbor would love this. And then that person becomes your next text. 5 texts, 2 to 3 yeses. You're already halfway to that $100 and you haven't even turned your laser on yet. Step 4, make and deliver. Make your products and deliver them in person, or get them in the mail if they're far away. Block a 2-hour window this week, put it in your calendar right now, and batch everything. All the coasters all at once, all the cutting boards all at once. Don't hop back and forth between orders, because that's the fastest way to actually waste your time and mess things up. A few things that will save you from a bad day. 1, very serious, run a test on scrap material before you touch your actual product. When in doubt, test first. I know we don't want to do this, but it is important. 2, package it nicely. And I'm not saying get a $20 gift box or bag. A sheet of tissue paper and handwritten thank you card costs less than $1 and makes your $45 cutting board feel like a $75 boutique gift. Presentation is half the sale. And 3, this is the big one, deliver in person whenever you possibly can. I know it sounds old-fashioned, but do it anyway. When you hand something to someone personally and they open it up in front of you, 2 things happen. First, they say out loud how much they love it, which feels amazing. And secondly, they might even say, oh, my enter person here would love to have something like this. Then you get their contact information, and now you can make another sale. Repeat after me. Every delivery is also a potential future sales call. This is what we call networking. You're gonna need to get used to it if you want to be a business. 7-day calendar, the full playbook. Okay, let's put all of this together into your 7-day plan. I want this to be so simple that you don't even want to mess it up. Day 1, today. Pick your one product, set your price using that formula, and text 5 people. Day 2, follow up with anyone who didn't reply. Check your supplies. Do make sure you have enough materials for those 5 orders. If not, then order them today so you can have them by day 4. Day 3, confirm those orders. Lock in your production window. If someone asks for a change, this is the day to finalize the design. We're already at day 4, production day. Make everything in one batch, package everything up, and write those thank you cards tonight. Day 5, delivery day. Hand deliver every single order. Collect your moolah. Watch them opening it, saying, I'm taking orders next week too, if you know anyone. Day 6 and 7, follow up with anyone who showed interest but didn't place an order yet, and post just one picture to your personal social media, just of the finished product. No DM me for more orders or anything like that. Just the thing looking beautiful, and then watch what happens next. You're probably gonna get some of those family members being like, I just ordered one and it's amazing, which looks really good on you, right? That's the whole plan. 7 days, 5 texts, just one product, one production block, one delivery day. No Etsy shop, no logo, no website, no big investment. Just you, your laser, and the people that already know you. The long-term payoff. Now, here's what I want you to remember, and this might be the most important thing that I say in this whole video. Your first $100 is not really about the money. It's proof. It's proof that your laser can pay for itself. Proof that people will actually hand you cash for what you make. It's proof that you can do this. And once you have that proof, once you have had that first person open something you made and just absolutely love it, it changes everything. That fear goes away, the confidence comes in, and suddenly the bigger goals don't feel crazy anymore. I only know what I know, and I've been doing this a long time now, and what I do know is this: the fastest way to build a laser business is to get your first sale as fast as possible. Not the perfect sale, not even maybe a profitable sale, just the first one. So go text those 5 people today and let me know how it goes. The best place to connect with me is at my new community I'm calling the Laser Layer. It's an ad-free space, free to join, by the way, and we're having a lot of fun over there. I'll be hosting a summer challenge in the coming weeks, so click my link down below and come hang out in the Laser Layer. And while you are doing your homework for today, check out this video next. You will get insights on how most laser businesses fail, so you can avoid it before it happens to you. Thank you so much for watching, and happy crafting!